Here is one of the Tempstars at my clubhouse running. Copeland reciprocating compressor. And this one actually has a scroll. It's been replaced for who knows why. Yeah, this one has a newer compressor in it, but you can't see it very well because it's running. And there's a disconnect box right there. And the other Tempstar's over here, I don't think it's running, but unless it turned on while I was looking at that one. No, it didn't. Again, this one's a 3-ton from 2004. This one is missing a logo. Those two over there still have it. And it is not very warm right now. It's like 68 degrees. And usually they keep the thermostat set to a pretty warm temperature, so I don't really. I was surprised that this thing's running. I wasn't expecting it to be running because usually they keep it set to like in the upper 70s, unless they cooled it down or something. There is the thermostat. It is set to 78 degrees. All right, out.